Hey guys, I'm Brandon Sperlin, welding engineer at Kobelco, Welding of America. We're here at FABTECH, glad to be here. We got our wire and our ARCMAN on display with the hologram. We got our ARCMAN Portables here display. How's it going? I'm Brandon. So this is the ARCMAN Portable. It is a flux core arc welding, fully automated oscillator. So what it does some teach points, and it senses all your joint in 2 spots. It measures your depth, your width, your gap, your angle, all with its torch. I don't even have to punch in the thickness. It measures itself. Yep. Okay. When it's recording the touches, the sensing, it's going back to the computer over here. And so it records all your angles, your thickness, your width, and then it'll take the same one on here and generate your perfect amperage, voltage, wire feed speed, travel speed, weave to fill your joint.
Multiple passes?
Multiple passes.
Okay.
You know, that's the thing with this. It's really user-friendly. You don't really have to input much with the computer at all.
Sure.
That's why we were like, this is fully automated. This isn't like your other robots that you're gonna get somewhere else. You have to put in some information there. This, you don't have to put in information. It's making it with the most quality and with the most, efficiency that it can to get your sound weld every time.
Hi, I'm Tad Dean. One of the things I love about the ARCMAN Portable is the bead placement and sequence that it has been developed through the software. When we do cross sections and macros, the beads are placed precisely where they need to go in order to obtain the correct fill level. Being a hand welder in the past, I don't know that I would put the beads in any different than what the machine does. And it really speaks volumes to the time and effort that has been put into the development of this system.
New visitors have been impressed by the fact that the ARCMAN Portable doesn't involve any programming on the operator part. How's it going? So this is the ARCMAN Portable, weighs about 20 pounds. You bring it to the work, so it's not a cell robot, right? We want massive structures. It's small, but it can do up to 4-inch thick, just under 4-inch. Minimum is gonna be 1/2 inch. No programming involved, okay? So we can control down to a 1/2 millimeter on your reinforcement on each layer. That's how much control we have over this machine.
You give them a service manual,
Yeah.
and they're good to go.
They just call us, if they need something, we come over there.
Yeah.
Our service is free, so.
It's free.
Yeah, we.
You have a contract? A
Service contract?
Yeah.
Nah, it's if it's warranty work or just miscellaneous stuff, we do it for free. So it makes us different.